Number 1. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Camera RFS 18-45mm f4.5-6.3 is STM Lens Kit. Canon EOS R50 4K digital camera features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and Digic X processor for stunning image clarity and level of detail. High-speed continuous shooting. Capture fast action with up to 12 frames per second with electronic first curtain shutter and up to 15 frames per second with electronic shutter for a superior vlogging camera. Advanced autofocus. Dual pixel CMOS AF2 covers up to 100% x 100%. Number 2. Saneen digital camera for photography. Explore a variety of video resolution options such as 4K, 2.7K, 1080p, and 720p, along with high-resolution photo options including 64MP, 56MP, 48MP, and 24MP with the Saneen camera. 4-inch touchscreen big display. The 4-inch big screen provides a vibrant display for easy viewing and navigation, while the touchscreen interface ensures seamless operation. Wi-Fi and HDMI output function equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity. Number 3. Digital camera, 48MP cameras for photography with Wi-Fi app control. This camera has a 3-inch screen that can rotate 180 degrees, so you can view it while recording or take photo, making it easier to selfie. This is a perfect choice for entry-level users and beginners/photography enthusiasts. This camera supports manual focusing, MF, and autofocusing. Whether in video mode or camera mode, simply press the camera button and the focus flag box will appear on the display screen. Number 4. VETEK digital cameras for photography. This digital camera offers 4K video, 48MP photos, 16x zoom, video pause, loop recording, silent recording, and a self-timer. The upgraded chip ensures higher definition and realistic images, making it a perfect gift for loved ones. The 4K camera comes with a 52mm detachable wide-angle and macro lens, perfect for capturing vast horizons and tiny details. Use manual focus for sharp 4K photos. Easily switch between modes like video. Number 5. Digital camera, 64MP 40x zoom cameras for photography video. This digital camera, equipped with a 64-megapixel sensor, ensures stunning picture quality in remarkable detail. Capture all your unforgettable moments effortlessly with its maximum 4K/30 fps MP4 video resolution. 10x optical zoom combined with 4x digital zoom gives the camera a 40x powerful zoom effect, even allowing for the view of the moon at night. Connect to PC and work as webcam to video calling live stray. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.